Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make button mushroom mycelium. Start by sterilizing all tools and surfaces, then hydrate and pasteurize your chosen substrate. Measure spawn rates carefully and mix under clean conditions to reduce contamination risk. Maintain steady temperature, humidity, and fresh air exchange while the mycelium colonizes, and monitor daily for any off smells or discoloration so you can act quickly and keep your culture healthy. Prepare the substrate by shredding and pasteurizing materials like straw or compost to reduce contaminants. Aim for moisture that is damp but not dripping, roughly 60 to 65%, so the mycelium can colonize easily. Allow the substrate to cool completely before mixing in spawn, and use clean utensils and containers to keep things sterile. Proper prep sets the foundation for strong mycelial growth and successful fruiting down the line. When inoculating, work quickly and calmly to distribute spawn evenly without introducing contaminants. Place bags or containers in a dark, humid spot with steady temperatures around 20 to 24 degrees Celsius for best colonization. Check daily for white, robust mycelium and remove any spots showing contamination. Once the substrate is fully colonized, gradually introduce fresh air and light to trigger pinning and prepare for fruiting, keeping humidity high and conditions consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.